What is OAuth? You've clicked sign in with Google 1,000 times in 2 minutes. What's actually happening behind that button and why you don't give them your password? The button. You see it everywhere. Sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, sign in with GitHub. It looks magic. There is a reason. Here is the problem the button is solving. Some app wants your data from Google, your contacts, your calendar, your photos, but you should not give them your Google password. Now an analogy, you drive to a hotel, valet parking. You don't hand over your house keys, you hand over a valet key, it only starts the car. That is exactly what OAuth is doing. 4 steps. The app asks you to sign in. You go to Google. Google asks you, should this app see your contacts? You say yes. Google hands the app a short, limited token. The token is the valet key. It expires. It can only do specific things. If the app gets hacked, the token gets revoked, your password stays safe. And scope, that permission screen. Read your email, send messages, access photos, each one is a scope. You say yes to each separately. That is how granular it gets. And this is why every modern app uses it. Sign in with Google, connect Slack to Notion, upload to Drive, all OAuth under the hood. So that is OAuth, the valet key of the internet. You give an app limited access without ever handing over your password. From zero, one tech basic, explained from scratch every week. Subscribe for the next lesson.